Hi friends, I am your Mahijit. My channel name is Mahijit Making Future. Today topic is how to find the resistor value. This is my red, violet, and this is my another resistor. Our example brown, black, red, violet, and this is my brown, black, green, violet, red, brown, violet. This is our code value. First you should memory this one, then you can find easily. Who all are not having multimeter, they can use this method. These numbers you should learn using this code. This is our first code. A, B into C. Up we should put C. Violet is coming means we should put 10. Normally violet will come. Then this is our code, and this is our resistor. I found the value. It will take so much time. For that will I fast the video, and we have completed this one. Next we will see using multimeter. Who all are having multimeter, they can find easily. Who all are not having multimeter, they can do this method. Now first, this is our digital multimeter model D10830D. Let's start. First red you should put in the second one. In before video I told about the multimeter. You can learn about this one also. Next you set the this is our off button, and you should set this one in 20 because I know this value is. We should first set it in higher value, then only we will know. I am setting in 200k. Now I am giving power to it. This is only 0 point, we can set in 20k. Now we will find it. It was 2.2k resistor, this one. Now I am taking this resistor. This also we should put in high, and now check it. This was only 3 showing, then we can put in 20. This is 1k resistor, and this is our another resistor. This is about 200 it's showing, then we should set in 2000k. It was 220E. Now our last resistor. Friends, this one is 10k resistor, and this one we will use in this resistors. We will use in more in LEDs, and however we are using the batteries, that voltage will tell. Now I am using 9 volt means I will use this one 1k resistor. I am using more volts means I will use another. Then another also that we are doing more LEDs, one battery with like 8 LEDs. We should use 220E resistor, like that it is there, and you are giving directly power to the LEDs, then it will spoil the LED. You are giving resistor, it will make the voltage and current, it will give whichever it want the LED. And we can use many small projects like LED and more. Please like the channel if you are like, and share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel. Bye. Thank you.